Hi everyone, I'm Federica, an OpenStreetMap contributor and Polymappers member from Italy. I'm incredibly excited to be here today sharing my thoughts along with one of my colleagues on the experience of the Hot Data Quality Internship, focusing on why and how this learning program is the perfect combination of the past, the present and the future of the hot community. But first, let me introduce the program taking advantage of the famous and beloved W question. The internship involved almost 70 people from all over the world, exactly 24 different countries. With the supervision of Geoffrey and Rebecca, two experienced hot members that from August to October trained us with online practical webinars. So, despite the difficult situation caused by COVID-19, we were able to get to know each other and gather together, working in order to ensure good quality data in OpenStreetMap, learning the foundation of the validation process, and also training on the application of useful tools. Like all the best adventures, our journey through maps, tools, and communities has a mesmerizing travel diary that sums up all our little big progress week by week. The internship coordinated on the Slack platform was indeed articulated into 12 weeks, starting with trainings on the functionalities of JOSM and on the theory for identifying and fixing data quality issues with commonly used assurance tools, like, for example, MapRoulette or OSM Chat. On the second part of the program, we also learned how to download and visualize high-quality data with QGIS and UMap. In the last week, we then applied what we learned by mapping and validating wisely given tasks on the Tasking Manager. Talking about places and communities, during the internship we contributed to important tasks related to hurricane preparedness and COVID-19 response in Central America, especially in Jamaica and Haiti, so in the Caribbean area. But also we gave importance to projects placed in Africa with urban development and natural disaster response tasks. And also we mapped and we contributed to other projects in MapRoulette in places like Kenya, Nepal, Indonesia, and more. And now it's the moment to quantify our result with some statistics. During the internship, we reached the incredible number of mapped and validated features, from building to highways, but also waterways, feature related to land use, and also natural. And so many of us gained a growing experience working on hot task and project, enabling all the trainees, the majority of trainees, to switch from beginner to intermediate and finally advanced mapper role. Almost 10 of us officially obtained the role of validator in the community, and many others now are on the track to reach this level. But these numbers only suggest the results of this program, whose most powerful spirit is represented by the stories of the community of interns itself. So now is the moment to give voices also to my other fellows in this journey. So here is Dina, an OSM contributor from Serbia and Polymappers, that said that now she's ready and already working to share with her local community the knowledge and the skills gained in order to improve geodata quality. Another intermediate mapper from Indonesia, exactly Jakarta, Faki, highlights how the program created a community and a platform for exchanging stories and knowledge that made everyone grow together, also on a personal level. Like Faki, Aman, a GISAM member from Nepal, remarks how this experience helped his career in the geospatial world, understanding in particular that it's never too late for doing something good, at any level. Tebogo, an advanced mapper from Botswana, shares instead her happiness on finally being able to validate some tasks on HUT, and so making the difference on the map. After learning with many tips and tricks, advanced features on QGIS and JSON. Mapper member from Tanzania, Said, managed to become an advanced mapper, finding new inspiration for his career in GIS, but also preparing himself for arranging trainings for his fellow local community interested in the topic. Ashok, instead, another GESAM member from Nepal, with the internship reached finally the intermediate mapper level, taking advantages of trainings and webinars, especially in a difficult situation like the one in lockdown. In Awania's world, now a member of the global validation team, the internship helped to understand how to provide clean, high-quality data, especially when a disaster occurs and up-to-date maps are needed. Also, Samuel, from Tanzania, highlighted how the program was a great opportunity to widen his skill with the valuable guidance of amazing trainers that also contributed in creating a welcoming social environment. Speaking about our trainers, here there are some final quotes from them. As Geoffrey said, the internship was also an incredible opportunity to improve data quality while having a good time. This great condition also encouraged many people to join some working group, continuing their work within the community. Rebecca instead highlights how every participant achieved not only high-level technical skills, but also understood the core value of the organization, for which everyone is really counted. This message and the continuity of sharing knowledge beyond the interns group are the greatest results of an experience that could really make the difference. And here's a final picture of the fellows I'd like to thank for their contribution to this presentation on a program that could then be a key element for training a global generation for empowering the future of communities.